What do you do when the market opens on Monday? Hi traders, we are back again to check where the money spinners will be lying in the market for this week of December the 2nd to the 6th, 2019. It's been a wonderful time. We've had trading and going back by our previous records, we found out that our videos have been helpful. We've taken good positions in the market. We've made good profits with our positions in the market. Our positions that we are not triggered kept us out of a loss, even if they weren't profitable in the end. So without further ado, we'll be looking at what the market holds for us this week. Before I go ahead, I want to place this advice ahead of those who will be coming to view this video. Trading is a risky business, and as such, you will need good market advice so that you don't lose money unintentionally by trading. With that said, I also want to say last week's video, it only came to my notice on Friday in busy trading that the end of the video, towards the end, there was no picture, and I'm sorry about that. It's about the first time I've experienced that, and I'm working on that now, and I know future videos will be nice and better, more excellent than we've had in the past. And before we go ahead, I would want to urge you to click the like button if you found these videos helpful, which we bring out on a weekly basis, and leave a comment. I wish I had that comment about the video. I think maybe I have spotted that issue long before Friday that I saw it, and I would have maybe taken out the video and made a new one. I always want to make sure that traders are helped. Now, we go to the markets. We're looking at the GBP USD. I want to do a series of knowing what the market holds for us. What do we do when we start trading on Monday? The market has opened. What do I do? Now, first of all, I'll be breaking into bits. And if you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button and click the bell notification so that you'll be notified as I bring out new videos. And of course, as I go on this series of teachings and tutorials that will be helpful to traders. First, today I want to discuss what I call a roadmap. Anyone on a journey that wants to successfully get to his destination needs a map, a roadmap, some sort of guide to tell you how long your journey is going to take. What are the signposts? What are the landmarks that will be telling me I'm close to my destination? Or maybe I've missed my destination. How's the road looking like as I go on that journey? So first of all, quite a lot of successful and profitable traders use various roadmaps to tell where they are and what they think market is going to do. Some use support and resistance. Some use Elliott wave principle like I do. Some use moving averages. It depends on what your indicator tells you. But basically, we're looking at what roadmaps to employ as we go ahead in this video. So first of all, our roadmap tells us, look at where price is. Look at where price is heading to based on price action. Now, with what we have here, let's use the GBP USD as our example to show us our roadmap. If you see my chart, you'll see various lines which are support and resistance lines, which I have drawn already in the charts. And we're looking at the weekly time frame. So first of all, what I do when the market opens, I look at the weekly time frame. I check where the price is. I check where is the nearest support. I check what has price action done within or around that support or resistance zone. And when I look at that, the next thing I look at is what is price action telling me? The candlesticks that are formed there, is it telling me that that the price has been wanting to break the support or resistance zone? When I get that settled, then I know what to predict and what to react to as market opens Monday. Now, let's look at the GBP USD. Now, GBP USD done, has, sorry about this. GBP USD has given us a nice bullish candle on the weekly, like you see here. Let me take off this pitch for weekly. All right. Now, GBP USD has given us a nice bullish candle. Last week was wonderfully bullish. If you followed my video, I placed a comment at the end of Monday's trading. I had said I was expecting a retracement upwards and a continuation downwards to 2750. Price getting to 2750. But the price action on Monday gave me the hint that prices won't likely go lower. So what I started looking out for are higher lows and looking forward to breaking the resistance level at the 1.30 area, the resistance zone at that area. Now, and market did exactly that. Now, on the weekly, we've seen a bullish move. And now, what does that tell me? First of all, I look at there's a week which price gave us 2 weeks ago, and I expect that week to be filled up. Price, I see price getting to test this high, and the high is at 1.2985, most likely to test this high. And if we break and close above it, we'll be surging high to that resistance zone at 1.30. Let's zoom in. Now, on the daily, what do we have? Now, daily is telling us, like I said, I was looking forward to seeing higher lows. And indeed, I saw higher lows towards the end of the week. We saw this candle, once this candle came in, broke support and closed higher than the highs of Monday and Tuesday. Retested this zone, came back in. So I expect price action to take us all the way up to 1.2975. 1.2975. So what do we do? How do we trade this? First of all, I just zoomed in against the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, what I expect is I'm expecting a retest of this area at 1.2927. Yeah, about that range. And I'll be looking forward to reversal candles around this area. I expect price to react around here. I expect price to react around this region. Okay, we go down to 1.2920. But what you do, wait for price to get to this area. Look for dojis, small body candles, and trade it upwards. Of course, you could also wait for price. While price goes this low, we can place a buy stop at 1.2945 and trade higher to aim for 1.2975. Let me give us a heads up. information. Once price gets to this point, I expect a reaction. A reaction there will be sellers around this that will want to push price back to 1.2935 or thereabout. So basically, you put your buy stop at 1.2945. We trade it up to 1.2975. We can place a sell limit order here and trade it for 20 pips for 1.2950. Basically, that will be that for based on this video. But for those who are on my signal service, I usually give daily updates based on what price action does as the week progresses. Now, quickly, let's look at the next pair I want to look at. And I'll keep this video short as I did that of last week. Now, straight up, we're looking at the weekly. Now, we have, like I said, I expected price to retest these highs, and we're seeing exactly that on the weekly. And for what I have here, I see price still going higher to test the high. The high is at 1.7270. Price currently is at 1.797159. That's where price closed on Friday. Now, what do I look for? I'm looking forward to price going all the way up to 1.7270. So if we place, let's zoom in to get our position. I expect prices to get to that point. Now let's look at the daily for GBP card. Good. Now what's here? We are seeing a hammer candle and a spinning top. Basically, what I expect would be price which trying to come back into 1.7100 area or maybe lower before continuing that move upwards. So basically, we could even place a buy stop order above Thursday's high at 1.7135. That's the high. So we can place a 20 pips a buy stop. Sorry, buy stop. Yeah, at excuse me, 1.7155, and see our price breaks through the zone to get us to this level. I expect the reaction of price at this level. So basically, once price gets to that 1.7270 area, we expect there will be sellers here waiting for us. So would likely push the price up to, let's say, maybe for a 20 pips sell limit order around here. So do sell 20 pips sell and wait to see what price will do as we unfold. Now let me look at the USDJPY. That was one of our biggest money spinners last week. I said I was expecting one more high, which I expected to get to 109.75 area, but we were quite close. We are quite close. We got up to 109.669, so we're about 10 pips short of hitting our target. But those of us that receive my signal updates, daily updates of price action, so we looked at price action and we knew based on price action, we took our profits around the 109.60 area. Now, what are we going to do when the market opens on Monday? Now, for USDJPY, I expect prices to retrace into the 109.20 area. We could, yeah, that 109.20 area, and I see prices going higher. Our next port of call will be 109.85 area. So basically expect a small retracement 109.20, and we'll see how price moves to take us high. Let's just zoom in quickly to look at the move. Yeah, we have a doji and a shooting star on daily. So we expect prices to come in to this 19.20 area. Well, but of course, we're not just looking for the price to get to this area alone. We're looking to look for small body candles, reversal candles around this area to go higher. Excuse me. And if price doesn't do that, we could still come in lower, maybe as low as 108.95 before we head higher. But certainly, I believe we're going higher with the USD JPY. And our TP, we're looking at 109.85. Let's look at the USD card. USD card, Canadian dollar. On the weekly, what do we have? I was expecting a small retracement and price going higher. But from what we have here, price really came in and has not gone back higher. And from what I have here, you could see prices come in a bit lower. Let's zoom in to get a clearer picture. Right, what we have here, I see prices coming in as low as 1.3235, 1.3235 around this area, 1.3240 before we look forward to going any higher around this area. So basically, already we have a shooting star here. We have a bearish engulfing here, and so I expect prices to continue lower. So we could place our just a temporary sell stop at 1.3310 and trade it to 1.3250, 3250 to the safe side, and begin to look out for that. We can trade the sell and we look out for the reversal candles that will take us higher. And of course, we could see price based on the daily still coming lower. We could come as low as 1.3114. We could come that low. And I mean, we can come that low based on price action. I can see here. So we could come as low as 1.3114. Well, first of all, my first port of call is around here at the 1.2235 area. If I don't see a reversal around here, I'll be looking at price coming in to 1.3120. I normally give room for spread, 1.3120, and that will be a good port of call. So what you do in the market, just look out for price action around this area, the 1.3235 area. If we don't have a reversal around there, we'll be selling way down to 1.3120 area. Now I look at gold. Gold gave us quite some money last week because I said we're looking at price coming in selling, and I expected a reaction around this area which price gave us. We came in low got to 1449.92, and that's where price reacted around, just around that area. Wonderful setup. And we've seen price tried to come low. It didn't do that again. We have a new high, higher than, that's our high for the week is that of Friday. So what do I expect market to do? Now, we expect a small retracement to 1461 area, around 1461.35, just a small retracement, and I expect prices to go up all the way to 1483 area. 1483. That's what I'm looking at price getting to. Yeah, I'm looking at price getting to 1 point. Sorry, I usually see 1 point. This is good. 1483 area. That's what I'm looking at price getting to. I could adjust this to this area. Use my fins to get something tangible. So I'm looking at 1483 area. Yeah. When after this small adjustments, I see prices going up. Of course, we still look like we're in a downtrend, but because we have a double bottom already formed here, and momentum is resuming to the upside. So what we just expect is a small adjustment and continuation upwards. So once you enter the shore, let's just take a position for traders. Okay, we could as well allow price to come this way and place a buy stop above the high of last week, which was on Thursday, at 1466. So we place our buy stop at 1468 and expect prices to go higher. 1468. And we're looking at price getting to 1483. I think from what I see here on the 4 hour, it's more clearer. I think prices will get to 1481. 1481. So once we entered 1468, you can safely take your profits at 1481 area. Yeah, 1481. So that's our call for gold. And let me just do one more. That will be for Euro USD. The Euro, good old Euro. Now, let's quickly look at the price action on the weekly. We seem to want to continue lower. From what we have here, we have a doji formed already. We had strong bearish candles down the line, and we have a doji. Let's zoom in to see what we can make of this. Price seems to want to go higher. From what I can see here, I expected a new low at this point. We had a break and close below this, retested the broken support, which became a resistance around here, and I expected a new low. Since we didn't get that low, and we have a hammer at the end of this short bearish run on daily, so I expect prices to go back to retest this area, and we could even get past this area up to 1.1105. 1.1105. Now our close is at 1.1015. Our high there is at 1.1028. So we can place a 10 pips buy stop there at 1.1038 or 1.1040 and aim 60 pips up to 1.11. Leave the 0.5 at least we should have room for spread. So that's my take for this week, and I believe we'll be very profitable at the end of the week. So if this video has been helpful, I would like to click the like button, click on subscribe button also, because I'll be continuing this series. We've looked at the roadmap as one of the essential things we do when the market opens on Monday. So with that said, that will be all for now. And my parting shot is happy trading and keep making the profits. Bye for now.